Welcome back to my channel, Ramesh. Spelling is once again I am reminding you REMESH small space RS. Only type for small letters for my name, and that's given to my channel also. So once again, welcoming to my channel, Ramesh. Today I am coming in front of you with an interesting subject. Today's matter is about Bermuda Triangle. You know what's the significance of Bermuda Triangle? That's not only a trouser, but the name of a place or island or something special that we are giving to that place. Somebody knows about Bermuda Triangle, but my point is not only about Bermuda Triangle, but also about what is the Mariana Trench or Challenger Deep. That's the point of today also. A comparison of Bermuda Triangle and Challenger Deep. These are two different phenomena on Earth. Do you ever think about that? So, I am going to the importance of or difference between Bermuda Triangle and Challenger Deep or Mariana Trench. We know Bermuda Triangle is a triangular shape phenomena or place. What's the difference between Bermuda Triangle and Mariana Trench? I searched about it. Bermuda Triangle. I had think recently, I had think it is a specific place or location. And I finally realized, and scientific proof I had got it, and my searches, everything find out the truth is Bermuda Triangle is not a defined position or place. It's a sum of three places. That's Miami, Florida, or Bermuda Island, and San Juan, Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico. These are some of the places surrounded by this Bermuda Triangle definition. That's a definition. That's a mythology or not a realistic place. The science are saying, because truth is stranger than fiction. That's based a fiction place, not a specific part we can define for this Bermuda Triangle. But in the Challenger Deep or Mariana Trench, that's a scientifically proved place. That's the difference between us. One is in Challenger Bermuda Triangle in Atlantic Ocean, but the Challenger Deep in Pacific place. That's the introduction I can give to you. I am going to its details in this video. The Bermuda Triangle does not have an exact location because it's a loosely defined unofficial region, not a recognized geographical place. It is generally described as a Vanguility triangular area in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean, bounded by Miami, Florida, and Bermuda, an island, and San Juan, Puerto Rico. Location: Western North Atlantic Ocean. Verticities: vertices roughly points to Miami, Florida, Bermuda, and San Juan, Puerto Rico. These surrounded by three places. Vaguely triangular. This shape is not precisely defined, no official recognition. The US Board on Geographic Names does not recognize the Bermuda Triangle as an official area. There's another geographic specialty is that's a high traffic area. This is a very busy region for both maritime and air traffic, with contributes to its reputation. I can give another detail of this area is some researchers, some professors or scientists saying there is we can see unusual mist or mist means coda or fog. We can see that place that's unexpectedly coming and disappearing. It can in Vagaman in Kerala we can see that phenomena. I am remembering that this time point this time because unusual mist coming and disappearing. That's a natural phenomenon. Like that in Bermuda places, the unusual mist coming, fog coming, and later it disappearing. That's one phenomenon. Another professor or scientist saying there is unusual bubbles come out high with high um, place higher level and later it disappearing. It will sink the sink the ships and other vessels to its bottom, attract or sinking. It caused to the sinking of the ships. Another unscientific or another opinion is about a magnetic field is existing there. Unusual magnetic field is existing there, and it catches the aeroplanes with the low altitude and other ships, other metal parts. It can attract to its bottom. So disappearing happening that place. The another thing that's the another thing to that point. A magnetic field is existing there. It attracts the vessels and aeroplanes. Another unscientific opinion is there is a whirlpool making or evolving there, and it sinks the ships and other objects to its bottom. That's another unscientific proof to another unscientific description about that area. There isn't an exact official location for the Bermuda Triangle. It's a loosely defined region in the western North Atlantic Ocean where ships and planes are said to have disappeared under mysterious circumstances. The general area is considered to be a triangle with points in Miami, Bermuda, and Juan, Puerto Rico. The boundaries are not universally agreed upon, and the concept is considered an urban legend rather than an official geographical designation. Key characteristics of the Bermuda Triangle. Location. Averagely triangular in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean. That's the location. A vaguely triangular area. Defining points. Generally considered to be Miami, Florida, USA. Bermuda, a British island territory, and Puerto Rico. Nature, a loosely defined region, not an officially recognized geographical feature. Legend, the area is famous for stories of unexpected disappearances of ships and aircrafts. Though scientific and government sources say there is no evidence of unusual activity. That kind of natural phenomena is not feeling there. That's the government saying. There is no government declaration or authorities declaration. Why there is no exact place, no official recognition. The US Board on Geographic Names does not recognize the Bermuda Triangle as an official region of the Atlantic Ocean. They are saying not any specific place in Atlantic Ocean in that name, Bermuda Triangle. Varying boundaries. The total areas and perimeter of the region differ depending on the author or sources. Unauthorized persons saying the uh, is about its boundaries or sources. Urban legend. The idea of the Bermuda Triangle emerged and gained popularity in the mid 20th century, contributing to its myths and lack of precise definition. The Challenger Deep. Now I am saying about the going to the point of Challenger Deep. What's the difference between Bermuda Triangle and Challenger Deep? The deepest known point on the seabed of the Earth. It is scientifically recognized or approved that about Mariana Trench or Challenger Deep. Scientifically proved and geographically defined. Location situated at the southern end of the Mariana Trench in the western Pacific Ocean near the Mariana Islands. Key characteristic: insured, a specific measured location with a maximum depth of approximately 10,935 meters or 35,876 feet for Mariana Trench or Challenger Deep. At the same time, the depth of the Bermuda Triangle is 5,363 meters and in feet 17,598 feet. That's the difference between these two. Mariana Trench have 35,000 4,876 feet, and is coming at the same time Bermuda Triangle half of the size of its depth or feet is Bermuda Triangle's feet is 17,598 at the half of uh, Mariana Trench. That's another characteristic or with difference of it. Location situated at the Mariana Trench or Challenger Deep is situated at the southern end of the Mariana Trench in the western Pacific Ocean near the Mariana Islands of southern end of the Pacific Ocean. One is at Atlantic Ocean and Mariana Trench in uh, Pacific Ocean. Key characteristics. A specific measured location with a maximum depth of approximately 10,935 meters or 35,876 for 76 feet for Mariana Trench. History about the Mariana Trench. The first human uh, that dived to the Challenger Deep was made in the 1960 by the submersible Trist. That's historically proved. A vehicle or something goes under the depth of Mariana Trench and it scientifically measured and scientifically proved that uh, place man had gone there, that Mariana Trench. So this is completing my video. There is completing my video about the two places on earth. Still it is mysterious or unusual, or man cannot enter easily to there. That two places are Bermuda Triangle and Mariana Trench. The mystery about these two places are, I think, unveiling here, and you got a vague idea, a general idea about these two places. Watch my full video about it. Upcoming my another subject, the Sea of Triangularity. What is Sea of Triangularity? And my next video will be about the sunken ship, or what happened to Titanic actually. It's actual history and searching history. That's coming up my next video. Please watch this full video about Challenger Deep and Bermuda Triangle. Encourage everyone to subscribe my channel. Encourage every person to watch my full videos. The unusual hurricane or typhoon or heavy storm we can feel in Bermuda place, that's considering.